Hi guys, so this is the playlist for honors. It's playlist number 13. I'm going to start posting some of your guys' learning goals for the playlist in here, even though we talk about it in the video every week. The purpose of this playlist is to help you guys read through informational text and not just read through it, but also use it to help you create claims and support your claims with evidence that you find from reading the informational text. So it's just like when you answer a question, that answer in a way is a claim because it's your opinion in your response, and it's like citing evidence. You use these texts to get evidence to support your answer or your claim. So that's what the purpose of this is. And also we're going to start working on organizing arguments in a way that is both clear and concise using this performance assessment book. Okay, so what this playlist does is it's going to work you through this book here. So it says step 1, analyze the model. So it starts on pages 4 and 5. Okay, so you'll start here in this section that says analyze the model. And on 4 and 5, you're going to read and then you're going to take notes. Okay, and you'll see that in the columns next to the story. Let me make this a little bit bigger here. In the columns next to the story here, you guys have columns to take notes. So that's where you'll take notes. You can also underline or circle, but take notes however you feel comfortable. And then at the bottom of page 5, there is a question that you need to restate and answer. Okay, and it just keeps going like this. On page 6 and 7, there's an essay that was written by a student, an argumentative essay. So you'll read that, and then also make sure you check out the notes on the side that are written in red. She does a very good job, okay? And then on page 7, there's another question you have to answer at the bottom of the page. So what you need to do for this playlist is you just need to follow along, like I'm doing here, just flipping through your book. Then you do page 4 and 5. You check off the task, move on to the next thing, okay? Now, step 2 is practicing the task. So in this section, you're actually going to read through articles, you're going to be thinking about credible sources, and then you're going to start crafting your own argument by filling out a graphic organizer, and that's going to be on page 18. Okay, so you start getting into more worksheet-like work here, and you use this organizer. If you need any help or you're confused by these things, definitely ask for help. Okay, and in fact, at the end of step 2, you guys are going to check in with me so I can make sure that you guys are doing it correctly and that you don't have any questions. Now, during steps 1 and 2, if you guys have questions, there are extra videos to help you here. So all of these are links to videos with the perspective pages that they'll help you with. The last step, which is step 3, is actually writing an argumentative essay, okay? So the prompt is asking if people should have a right to rescue services if they put themselves in harm's way. That's the question you're going to be thinking about. And you'll read the articles that are provided from pages 21 to 29, taking notes in the columns. And then on page 30, once you get there, you actually start writing your essay by filling out all of the graphic organizers here, filling out your graphic organizer for your essay, okay? And then that graphic organizer is basically your final paper, okay? So then you're also going to need to get this checked by me because it is your performance assessment, okay? Once you are all finished there, you're going to choose a topic for an essay that you'll write from this choice board. On this, it's just going to take you to this. It's asking you, again, what's the world's biggest problem? You guys have seen this before in week 7. So you get to choose, and maybe you'll click on one, you'll make a copy, and it'll take you to a document that has some resources. All you need to do is just choose which one and check it out. You don't need to get started on this quite yet, but that is your enrichment activity for your Honors Playlist 13. All right? Let me know if I can help you, and good luck.